Bang! Cook come back or nah? No.
What's good, King?
What's good, G? Chillin', chillin'. Damn. This shit different. And then sometimes, depending on the release.
Depends on the hype, yeah. I know
Yeah,
the Matty Boy
depends on
shit
the
was
hype.
insane, right?
Matty Boys is a movie.
Touched?
I feel like dealing with. Could have touched online, but I was outside touching other shit. That's why I'm like, it's always different. You know, it's always money. Always money outside, buzzing. You know how we doing it. You know how we doing it. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah. What's good? What's good? What's good, guys? It's your boy. I'm back again with another video. It's your boy Ant on the Go-Go. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. It's lit. It's a great day. Happy day. Today is Thursday, Supreme Thursday. You know, I didn't get to. Let me know if you cop Supreme. Matter of fact, before I jump into that, thank you for always tuning in, guys. Thank you. I'm really happy. You know what I'm saying, that you guys always tuning in. You know, liking the video. Yeah. Comment, guys. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe if you love videos like this. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. It's Ant on the Go-Go. You know, I do sneaker video, game video, you know, just around, you know, different things. Just check me out if you're new to the channel. I'll leave different videos in the description for you. But yeah, guys, it is lit. I got a brand new sneaker. It is the Travis Scott Light Cactus. And let's jump into it. Let's jump into it right now. So these brand new. So I got one pair. And then I got, these sneakers are so annoying, like heavy to pick up. Look, size 11. And I had a couple other sizes, damn, but you know, I sold it already. So, you know, it's been great, you know, it's been a great, hey. Let me know if you were able to get a pair. I mean, these Travises was pretty limited, you know what I'm saying, for New York City. You know, I know in New York City was pretty limited and only a few, you know, location, you know. So I got this in the store, luckily, and I hit Kif. Shout out to Kif. Is, you know, no sponsor, but, you know, shout out to Kif, you know. And yeah, I had, you know, I got the Cactus, Jumpman, T-Rex. Yeah, T-Rex. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know, this is his, I think this is what, his 4th collab. And if you didn't see the other collab, I got the brown ones. I think those was the second ones. But yeah, I touched the brown Travis Scott. I'll leave it in the link. I'll leave it in the video, so you can check it out in the description below. But yeah, guys, pretty lit. This is my second colorway. Yeah, this is my second colorway that I touched so far. And this is the Light Cactus. And let's check it out. Look at this. Yo! Oh my God, this box is so annoying, guys. You do not even know the half of it. This sneaker is annoying, truly. But, look at this. I love the stickers. I love that. You know, it comes with the cool stickers. I really love that. I wish I could keep the stickers, but, you know, hey. Wow, it smells really good, too. That's what I like about Nike, you know, they always put really great details in their sneakers, you know, really great details. And let's get to the sneaker. Oh, woo! It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. Hey, it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. Hey, it's lit. Da, 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 da. Yeah, guys, you already know Travis Scott. You already know T-Rex Light. You know what I'm saying? Can't get no better than this. And yeah, you know, Travis Scott, great sneaker, you know, overall. Woo, smells so good. Oh man, let me take out the second pair so you guys, you know. And yeah, this is the wrap. I guess it says some Travis, it says something on it. You know what I'm saying? Some sticker. I don't know. But my customer is gonna be really excited because, you know, I'm gonna ship this out to him. And let me know, guys. I'm on eBay and etc. I'll leave my information. I'll leave my link tree in the description so you check it out. But yeah, I'm on all different platforms. Just click the link in the link tree and you will see all my platforms. But yeah, guys, if you're from New York City, let's link up. But yeah, Travis Scott. Ooh, Travis Scott. This was limited. It is fire. You know, I like this color. You know, I like this color better than the brown ones. Better than a lot of the color silhouettes that he done so far with this. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this Cactus, you know, Jumpman Jack, T-Rex is pretty fire. So, I love the lime green that they did. I love the hint of green all around, you know, the sneaker. I love that. I love that, you know, detail with the green. And, yeah, the lime green is perfect with it. I can't knock it, you know. Then I love the fact that, you know, of course, you got Jack on the bottom. Of course, Jack. And then, you know, amazing. And then they got the strap. They got the strap so when you're running, if you're doing sports, boom, you're secure. You're more secure and you can move faster and whatever. But I think this is a great sneaker, you know. I love when Nike do the check backwards. So that's how you know if it's a Travis Scott sneaker too. It's a dead giveaway. Let's say if you don't know nothing about Travis Scott, right? Let's say if you know, like, okay, he's a rapper, right? And the check, yeah, really dope. Really dope. Really dope. That's how you can tell if it's a Travis Scott by the check. But yeah. And of course, if it says Jack anywhere around it. And I love the details too. You know, got his logo print in the back right here. And yeah, pretty amazing, guys. I'm going to show you up close so you can see it. But yeah, you know, I copped it out. You know, it was really fun with the bro. Travis Scott. Yeah, guys. 10.5, 11. Let me know if you need. But yeah, look at the details. I just want to show you a close-up. Look at the details. It is amazing. Look at the detail. This is dope. Super fire. I like that. I like that off-white color. You know, I love the off-white. And look at this. It's perfect. Perfect. Just perfect. Just perfect, guys. Just perfect. So, look. You see the check. The backwards check. Really dope. I love the leather on it. The leather quality is good. I like this knitted part. I love the way that they did this material with the green. Then, you know, you got the face in the back. Really dope detail. You see that detail? Amazing. Then, you know, yeah, then you got the strap. That's the Japanese. Oh, this is dope. Really dope. Really dope. Really dope. Really dope. And then, of course, you got the little hint of green, lime green. And yeah, amazing shoe. Amazing shoe. Let me know, did you get it? Would you toe it? What would you do with these? For me, I'm going to sell it, but I'm going to get my toe size. See, 10.5. Look at the inside. Really fire, guys. Really fire. So, yeah, let me know in the comments, did you get a pair, okay? Cactus. You know, shout out to the bros, you know. It was really great, you know, getting this shoe. Let me know your thoughts. Would I wear it? Yes, I would wear it. This is a cool sneaker. And not only that, it comes with one. Whoa, I popped it out. Oh, my God. So it comes with black, lime green with a little hint of black, and then the whole lime green shoelace. Pretty cool. Really cool. Really cool. Really cool. I really like the Travis Scott. I think Travis Scott always does amazing with Nike, you know. The silhouettes that he does, oh my God, it's so amazing. Woo! 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 And if you smell the sneaker, that's a perfect way to say, you know, to see if it's real or fake. But yeah, guys, thank you for always watching my videos. I'm going to show you up close personal. And this is perfect for the summer, spring, you know. You know, summer, spring, fall, really good. Really great sneaker. It holds up. Look at that. Yeah. Make sure you get your hands on it. Very limited stock. You know, the way, you know, you can get it. Well, now it's sold out. You know, now it's fully sold out. But yeah, let me know. That's another great way to get it. You know what I'm saying? Hit me up if you want a Travis Scott. I could do great deals. I ship globally. So definitely hit me up. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. It's a journey, guys. For the summer, I'm gonna be doing, once when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a huge giveaway. A huge giveaway. Stay tuned, guys. I'm telling you, everybody that been rocking with me, you already know is lit. And shout out to all my, all my friends that be watching, you know what I'm saying? Everybody that be watching. Thank you so much, I do this full time, you know what I'm saying? I love what I do. Hit me up. Boom. It's a wrap. It's lit. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, whoa. Bam. Travis. Woo. See you later.